A British business leader says that despite the COVID-19 impact, Britain and China will find a way forward as businesses look for a long-term goal.
The number of middle-class people within China is growing significantly. And the middle classes would like UK products, and indeed they would like UK services. So it's quite a natural fit. So that's what I think will happen.
Mclean believes that although the pandemic has failed to bring people of the two sides together, things are set to change as tourism resumes with improvements not only in economic cooperation, but also in terms of bilateral understanding.
And to put that into perspective, 2008, when there was the kind of economic tsunami, China was very much the engine room of the world, and the relationship between China and the UK was very good. So when tourism actually opens up, I think there'll be a kind of another tsunami, but a positive one, actually kind of bringing people together.
Mclean said there are 3 areas Britain and China could further strengthen cooperation in, namely global finance and innovation, green industries and the environment, and the healthcare sector.
So from a kind of China-UK point of view, that's a kind of a win-win for both sides. Also, I think that in terms of green energy, the environment, anything to do with improving our planet.
Mclean expressed optimism about the future relationship between the two countries.
I am confident, because after all, Chinese people, what do they want? They want good health, they want to educate their children, they want to kind of grow old gracefully, and on the other side, we, the British, want to do exactly the same. So there's a commonality of purpose. So I think that's very much a kind of shared.
Founded in 1903, IOD is a British organisation for company directors, senior business leaders and entrepreneurs.